Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your TanTan app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for TanTan app, or just click here on search. Then here add TanTan app, sorry, you add TanTan app here, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, you click on it here. So then you search for TanTan app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, just click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.